I'm gonna have a video up very shortly that's gonna be showing my progress of how far I've gone with the base for Congo. But for right now, I want to talk about Windows 10 yet again. So here is my Windows 10 laptop. This thing's fully up to date, and I want to edit a picture so I can have it as wallpaper. So I go to the normal cropping tool because this one doesn't fit the widescreen right. So I go to aspect ratio, I go to widescreen, and I want to use it as, and I want to have it at a certain distance apart from the Ranka here. So I go like this to bring it as close as I want, which is about where I want it, like this. Well, watch what happens with the editing tool when I release it. It does this. It goes completely off the screen, and I have no control over this side of the picture anymore. So now I can't see if I have Ranka in frame to the way I want it. I can only work with this, and I can't work with any of this back here. I can't go and do anything. I can't pinch the zoom or any of this stuff. No, none of the multi-touch functionality works. The Windows photo editor is botched yet again. I have to go in here and hit save, even though I know I have it correct now to the way I want. It shouldn't do this. And to prove it's not just this picture, I'll use this picture of Monica here, if it decides to load. It does the same thing again. How are the people at Microsoft this incompetent to make a photo editor that they fixed a few like an OS build back to the current version where it's just botched like this? There's so many reasons why I keep Windows 7 on my main system. This right here is one of them. Even the fact that they managed to botch the stock photo editor is just dumbfounded me. It just shows how incompetent they are at doing anything. Hence why I'm really thinking of going back to Windows 7 on this computer. Because even though the trackpad won't work with Windows 7, this computer runs flawlessly on Windows 7 compared to Windows 10. Next to, give me a second. Where's the Control Alt Delete on this stupid? This. Where is it? It was there for a split second. The little thing that was maxing everything at 100% called system interruptions. That also really fucking is unnecessary. Windows 7 doesn't have system interruptions that literally brings the computer to a halt. Again, this thing's on an SSD. When it comes to a hard drive, I have the best, well, not the best, but I have an SSD inside this thing. I shouldn't be experiencing this. And yet, like I keep saying, if I put Windows 7 on this thing, which I'm going to do most likely, it will just be significantly snappier. So with that said, I'm going to continue watching Memology, and I'm going to do that short little update video on my Congo here. Sorry about the break in the uploads, but this is an ongoing series with my YouTube channel, even though I don't post much about Windows 10 because, again, my main system is Windows 7 for obvious reasons.